Welcome to the course orientation for PL610, School Operations and Human Resource Management at the University of Mount Union. I'm Dr. Jeremy Bruick, and I'm going to take you through some of the basics that will help guide us through our course this semester. PL610 is an online course that is 6 weeks in length. Most of the course content will be delivered asynchronously through the University of Mount Union Learning Management System. This content consists of 5 self-paced modules based on our course textbook and other supplemental materials, plus a final project. Some of the course content may be delivered synchronously as needed using virtual classroom at a scheduled date and time. In these cases, students will be provided with ample notice. There are several key online spaces you will be using over our 6-week period. Let's take a look at them. Most of our learning materials will be made available through our Brightspace site. This asynchronous online space is open only to students enrolled in the course and serves to organize the weekly content you will watch, read, and share. While this is an entirely online course, it does not mean that we will not be able to meet as an entire class. The course instructor will hold synchronous online meetings through virtual classroom each Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern. These online Tuesday talks will be informal opportunities to cover important course content, visit with colleagues, and welcome guest speakers into our learning community. Google Drive is an asynchronous space that serves as an online file cabinet where you can store and share documents and other digital files. You will need to create your own Google account to access Drive or use a Google account you may already have through your school or for your own personal uses. Once you're inside Google Drive, you also have access to a collection of tools you can use to create things. Docs, slides, and sheets will be the main tools we will use in this course, but you'll have access to many others. So Drive is not just a place to store things, it is also a place to make things and share them with others. The final space we will implement is Slack. This is a private community that operates in a similar manner to Twitter or text messaging. It offers threaded conversations and provides a forum for you to communicate with classmates and faculty and ask questions about the course that do not require a detailed email. You will be encouraged to ask questions of your peers in order to construct a shared understanding of course content. In this course, the instructor is not the holder of all knowledge. Rather, social construction of knowledge is the duty of all members of our course. Now that you've learned about some of the key online spaces for this course, let's take a look at some of the documents that will guide you over the course of our semester. The course syllabus is accessible through the course Brightspace site. This document outlines the learning outcomes for the course, the grading scale, and other important policies. Please review it carefully prior to the start of class. Aside from the syllabus, all other documents for the course can be accessed in the Essential Information module of the Brightspace course. You'll need to log into Brightspace, navigate to our course, select Course Materials, access the content, then select the Essential Information module. The Weekly Course Topics document is a quick look at the course as a whole. It outlines the weekly course topics, the required modules, special events, and any assignments that you'll need to complete for each module. Module choice boards are in the Share Your Thoughts section of each module on Brightspace. Choice boards provide a student-centered environment and are an excellent way to increase student ownership of learning. Each module choice board will outline the assignment options you may choose from to complete and demonstrate your understanding of course material. It is each learner's responsibility to select from the assignment options on the choice board and complete the required number of assigned points for the module. Some modules will have required assignments, but will still allow for choice. Another important item to become familiar with is the self-assessment portal. This is a shared Google spreadsheet that outlines the assessment accountability for each of the course modules. You will post links to your completed work here for review by the learning community. This spreadsheet has multiple tabs at the bottom, so make sure you are aware of which module you are reviewing. Now that you know a little bit more about the format of the course, let's talk about getting started. This is a 6-week course and it has been developed as a series of 5 modules and a final project. Each module is structured in the same manner. In each module, you will watch and listen, read and review, and then share your thoughts. In the watch and listen portion of each module, you will find short videos that link to the module topic, as well as instructional videos that may aid you in completion of course assignments. Listening materials like course podcasts are also located in this module. In the Read and Review section, you will find a reference to the required textbook readings as well as supplemental reading for each module. I attempted to keep the supplemental readings concise and practitioner-focused. The textbook chapters for each module are also listed in the weekly course topics document. Finally, in the Share section of each module, you will find your module choice boards with your assignment options. Quizzes for each module over the watch and read content are located here. There are also links to our Flipgrid reflection boards if that is an assignment option you would choose. While the weekly schedule provides an outline of when you should be working on each module, all of the modules are self-paced and you may work ahead to complete course content if this fits your schedule. If you cannot work ahead, please make sure to adhere to the weekly schedule and meet assignment deadlines in order to successfully complete the course. Now that you have a better idea of how our course will operate, here are your next steps. First, take a look at the Brightspace site and familiarize yourself with the key documents. Review the weekly schedule, take a look over the choice boards, and also the self-assessment portal so you understand how you will be evaluated. Next, you will want to set up your key spaces. You'll need to create your individual Google Drive account if you do not have one already. You should also join the course Slack group. There are directions posted in the Essential Information module on Brightspace. Finally, when you feel ready, dive into the Module 1 content and begin to engage in the Watch, Read, Share learning loop. Welcome to our course, and I look forward to learning with you this semester.